Hey guys, today we will cook saucy shrimp. I just sauteed the garlic and onion and add the shrimps. The shrimps were deveined and cleaned. Let's add Sprite, guys. Then ketchup, black pepper, seasoning, we'll put salt, a little salt, a little oyster sauce, a little sugar, we'll add bell peppers. Here's our saucy shrimps. Let's have some, guys. Ano ko inyo? Okay.